Hey, what's up? Alan here from Damn Good Reviews. Thanks so much for tuning in today. So right here I have the Litom 4-piece 100 LED solar lights. Now you may have seen the unboxing for this. If you have not and are interested, you can click the link below. But really the ultimate question is, well, how are these working, and do they work? Should you invest in these? So I needed some solar lights. I didn't want to run wiring outside around the deck when the dog went out. Couldn't see anything. So I was like, I've seen and actually have used some of the Litom stuff before, and I was like, hey, why not try this out? So I got a hold of this 4-pack, and yes, 4 fit in this box, and you can kind of see it's probably, is it on already? Every time I open this thing up, the light's like blasting in my eye. So there's 2 more left in the box there, but you can kind of see I've installed one right here, and it actually has some like key hang holes in the back, so you can align that and set it up, as well as it comes with a little template in the box there, if you can kind of see right there in the box. I don't know if you can see it, but there's a little template so you can always easily align the screws, as well as some anchors, and it does have a few different modes. So I put one down there, as well as one down here on the deck. Sorry for all the mess underneath, but you can see what it looks like. And again, you have the different intensity modes, so it's really awesome. And it does have that solar charging battery, so I don't have to worry about changing batteries, but it's waterproof, heat resistant, and frost resistant, so I can keep these out all year round. But the question again was, well, how do they work? So setup was extremely simple, and you can see right there the little keyhole backs right there, so you can put the screws on it, and then you can select the different modes, which I will show you as well, but I want to show it at night. So let me go ahead and wait till it gets a little bit darker out, and I'm going to show you actually how these really work. That's a little hard to see on here, but it throws the light probably about 10 feet or so, maybe further. I mean definitely much further than that. So if I cover that up, you can't see anything. If I take it off, maybe you can see something. I wish it would be a little bit easier to see on here. Let me go show you the other one that we have set up. See if that picks up. Just how far away. Get an idea of what that is illuminating right there. And again, it's going to the end of the patio. I don't know how much you can see again, but that is about 10 feet or so before the light actually falls off. But the other one is really great. So right now I actually have it on a low light mode, and then it picks me up and starts to get really bright. So these really worked well, as you can see in the demo that I showed you from the nighttime, and it really illuminates a good amount of space, and they are a decent size. But the biggest thing was, not only is it a really wide light that they're putting off, but it's solar, and you don't have to worry about running wires or changing a battery. They seem to pick up a good amount of motion and not always firing and going off, which is also a great thing, because you don't want that happening. But super excited about these. They are working really well. So if you're looking to add this to your property, business, home, whatever it is, I would recommend checking these out. These are the Litom 100 LED 4-piece set. I will put the link down below for you. And again, as always, thanks so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe right here. Click that little bell icon to stay up to date with everything I do, and I'll see you soon.